Good afternoon, everyone. In the previous class, we discussed about the accuracy, precision, and about the errors. Okay, error means there is a uncertainty in the every measurement, or the difference between the true value and the measured value is called error. Similarly, accuracy means the exact value is called accuracy. Then about the precision nothing but a limit of resolution. Under that, we have some types of errors. First one is personal error. First one is systematic error. Then comes the random error. Under the systematic error, we have three types. First one, instrumental errors. Second one is imperfection in experimental technique. Third one, personal error ಆಯ್ತು. Okay. Next, least count ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. Okay. What is meant by least count? The lowest value where the counts starts from that value. Next one is about the true value or absolute value. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಸಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ? Okay. True value means okay, we are conducting an experiment in a laboratory. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ the value of G is okay. The value of the G is 9.8. Excuse me. The value of the acceleration due to gravity is small g is equal to 9.8. But ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Value in order to find out the value of G 9.8 meter per second ಬರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 9.7, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 9.6, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 9.9 ಬಂತು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 9.8, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ 9.6. ಓಕೆ, 5 ಟ್ರಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. There are 5 trials. We are getting the 5 different values. Okay, those values are called measured values. Okay, ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ measure ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 5 different ಬಂತು. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ absolute value or true value ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಬಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ನಾವು. These are the trials. Okay, next values, that is A ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. You are going to conduct an experiment. You are getting the different values. This is trial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ಯಾವ್ದೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ? G is equal to the exact value, accurate value is 9.8 meter per second. These are the trial value. First trial we got 9.7 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Second trial ಅಲ್ಲಿ 9.6. In third trial we are obtaining 9.9. Fourth trial again we have the 9.8. Fifth trial we have 9.6. These are the values, measured values ನಮಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. We are obtaining from the experiment. This is A2, this is A3, this is A4, this is A5. These are the measured values. So the mean value or true value or absolute value, both are same. Absolute value means average of these measured values is equal to formula the sum of all the values, means sum A1 plus A2 plus A3 A4 plus A5, A4 plus A5 divided by number of the trials 1 2 3 4 5. In general n ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ total, the absolute value, mean value is equal to the mean of average. Average ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. What is the average of this? Okay, what is A1? 9.7 plus A2 means 9.6, A3 means 9.9, A4 9.8, A5 9.6. These are the sum of the measured values. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ 5 ಟ್ರಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ add ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Divided by how many trials? 1 2 3 4 5 trials. What is the average value? Average value is equal to 48.6 divided by 5. The total value is 9.72. This is the almost true value, means true or average value. Okay. Next one, the definition of the absolute value is, it is the average. Average means sum of the all the measured values. Average or mean value. Average or mean value of measured values. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ ಅದರ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, average value. Okay, next column means we are getting the error because delta A, nothing but delta A means absolute error. Okay, the exact value is 9.8 but we are getting 9.7. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎರರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. There is uncertainty in the exact value because exact value is 9.8 but there is an error. What is the error? Means absolute error is denoted by delta A. Okay, the definition of this absolute error is the difference between true value and measured value. Means suppose here delta A means delta A1 is equal to A mean, means true value. True value andrenu A mean, it is the true value, means average value, minus measured value means A1 anta ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೆ. What is the average value? 9.72. 9.72 is the average or true value, minus what is the measured value? That is in first trial we are getting the 9.7. What is the difference? Okay, on difference we are getting the 0.02. 0.02. This is called error, absolute error. Andre namge accurate value illa, there is an error. Okay, this is 0.02. This is called delta A1. Delta A anta bantu anta takshana namge ali error difference ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, that is denoted by delta. Delta nothing but a difference. Now similarly delta A2 is equal to average or mean value minus A2. Similarly this is same but the value of the measured is varies, alli vary ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. A2 and A mean is 9.72 as it is, minus A2 means 9.6. Okay, the difference is again 0.02. This is called absolute error. Idannu ನಾವು absolute error anta ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. 0.02 delta A2. Okay, wait a minute. (9.72) minus 9.7, 0.02. 9.72 second trial minus 9.6. This is 0.12. Okay, this is 0.12. Next, similarly third trial delta A3 is equal to A mean average value minus measured value. Measured means third trial. Again we have average value is 9.72 minus A3 means 9.9. What is the difference? Okay, 9.72 minus 9.9. The value is minus 0.18. The value is minus 0.18. This is taken as delta A3. Similarly, delta A4 is the average value is 9.72 minus A4. A4 means 9.8. The difference between 9.72 and 9.8 is minus 0.08. Minus 0.08 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Delta A4. ಇದು example. This is only for example. This is not important for examination. This is highlighted in a need a CET. CET ನಿಮಗೆ highlight ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next, similarly, fourth trial, that is delta A5 is equal to 9.72 minus, in the fifth trial we have the value 9.6 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Difference ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 9.72 minus 9.6. Okay, what is the value? 0.12. 0.12. These are the errors. Okay, we are getting the different errors in each trial. Now each trial ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ error ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0.02 ಬರ್ತದೆ. In second trial we have the error 0.12. In third trial we have the minus 0.18. In fourth minus 0.08. In fifth 0.12. Okay. Okay, here we consider positive values, but there are two negative values. For that we are taking the modulus of delta A. Okay, this is called modulus. Okay, the modulus of 0.03 is 0.02. Okay, next the modulus of 0.12 is 0.12. Next, the modulus of 0 minus 0.18. Okay, here minus is there. When we put the modulus, this minus becomes the plus. Ali namage plus agutte, that is 0.18. Understand? Here the negative sign. We put the modulus. Modulus hakdaga namage ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus idru kuda adenagutte, it will converted into positive, that is 0.08. Again, the modulus of 0.12 is 0.12. These are the absolute values. Okay, on adding these one, now the average of this absolute value, average means total. Hagadre average ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ? Total means 0.02 plus 0.12 plus 0.18 plus 0.08 plus 0.12. Okay, here I take the average or mean of this error values. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೇ ತರ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Therefore delta A mean means the mean absolute. Here mean absolute value, here mean absolute error, because delta nothing but a error value, that is delta A1 plus delta A2 plus delta A3 plus delta A4 divided by n. Okay, hagadre we are adding those one. We are getting delta A is equal to A mean. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0.02 plus 0.12 plus 0.18 plus 0.08 plus 0.12 divided by how many trials? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 trials. Okay. Okay, and adding these one, we are getting the value, that is 0.52 divided by number of the trials is 5. What is the value? 0.104. This is very important. This is called absolute mean absolute error. This is only absolute value, mean absolute value. This is mean absolute error. Okay, there is a difference. Difference means A mean. This is called absolute value. Means sum of the all individual values, that is A3 plus A4 plus A5 divided by n. But error anta bandaga difference ತಗೋತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಈಗ. The mean absolute error, delta means mean absolute error ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಈಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಏನ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು? ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಎ mean is equal to same delta A1 plus delta A2 plus delta A3 plus delta A4 plus delta A5 divided by n. What is the value of this? ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 9.72. This is called absolute value. Next, this value ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ 0.104 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಈಗ 0.104 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ absolute value, this is absolute mean absolute error. Then third definition. Okay, ನಮ್ಮ definition, next definition ಏನು relative error. Relative or fractional error. Very simple. Relative or fractional error. It is the ratio of the mean absolute error to the absolute mean absolute. Okay, delta A divided by A mean. Okay, ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಇದ್ರ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎರರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ or true value, absolute value. Difference ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ that is called mean absolute error. The ratio of this ಅವೆರಡನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we are getting the relative error. Okay, the relative error means it is the ratio of mean absolute error, mean absolute error divided by mean or absolute value. Okay, what is the value of this absolute error? Okay, this is the value, that is 0.104 divided by the absolute or mean value ಎಷ್ಟಿದಲ್ಲಿ 9.72 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we have to relate ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಹಿಂಗಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, we have to relate those two values. Finally we are getting 0.104 divided by 9.72. Okay, divide ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ 0.104 divided by 9.72. Okay, finally we are getting 0.0106. 0.0106. This is the relative or fractional error. Okay, it is the ratio of absolute mean absolute error to the mean or absolute value. Difference is only error. Error ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ /5 ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡರದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಎರರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಎರರ್. Okay, percentage error. Percentage error means same as it is the ratio of delta A mean divided by A mean into 100. Okay, just we have to multiply the 100. Percent is for 100. 100 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. Okay, what is the value of delta A mean? 0.0104 divided by what is the value of mean? 9.72 into 100. Just we are multiplying the 100 to this value. On multiplying 100 we are getting 1.06%. This is called percentage error. Okay, the relative error can be expressed in a percentage. Percentage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎರರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Okay, we call it as a percentage error. This is about the absolute value, mean absolute error, relative error and percentage error. Okay, is there any doubt? Doubt ಇದೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು? ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ. Is there any doubt? Okay. ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Wait a minute. Okay, next homework. Trials. Value of A. This is delta A. Next, modulus of delta A. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ. This is for homework. Trial 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trials ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I just increase one trial. In the place of 5, you can put 6 because number of the trials is 6 here. Okay. Actually, the value of something constant k is equal to 5. This is the exact value. But in you are doing an experiment by using various trials. First trial you are getting the 4.4 value. The second trial you are getting 5.2. Third trial 5.8. In fourth trial you are getting 5.6. In the fifth 4.8. In a sixth 5.9. These are the trials, that is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6. Same. Okay. Then calculate first one. True value or absolute value. That is A mean. A mean anna calculate ಮಾಡಿ. Second one, calculate absolute error. That is delta A. Okay. Delta A na each trial go calculate ಮಾಡಿ. Third one, calculate mean absolute error. Mean absolute error, that is delta A mean value. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಟೋಟಲ್ divided by 6 ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ ಅದು. Here n is equal to 6, number of the trials is 6. Calculate the relative or fractional error and also calculate percentage error. Percentage error. Okay, this is the homework. ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತೆಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. I will give 2 minutes. Quickly you can write. This is 4.4, 5.2, 5.8, 5.6, 4.8, 5.9. Okay. 2 minutes time ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನೇನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Calculate true value or absolute value, that is A mean, average. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ average ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. Second one is absolute error, that is delta A. Each trial allu difference ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ. Next, mean absolute error. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 6 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next, relative error. Relative error already told, delta A mean is equal divided by A mean. Percentage error means into 100. Okay. Next one is combination of errors. Okay, ನಮಗೆ error ಅಲ್ಲಿ combination ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. First one, error of a sum. Error of a sum. Sum means addition or difference. Okay, there are two types of combination. First one is error of sum or difference. Sum andre plus, difference andre minus. Second one is error of a product. Product andre eno multiplication, difference andre minus, and quotient. Quotient andre dividing anta, quotient. We use the division method. First one is combination of error. Error of a sum or a difference. Suppose Z can be expressed as a sum or difference. Means if suppose two values A and B, sum means A plus B. Suppose difference andre enalli A minus B. Okay, sum means addition A plus B. Suppose for example A is 2, B is 3 ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 5. Okay, 5 is the Z value. Again, we have the 3 minus B value 1 antide. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, this is the value. This is sum, this is difference. Okay, but the maximum value of error in this case, ಈ case ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ error ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, error ಅಂದ್ರೇನು delta. Delta Z is equal to delta A plus delta B. Okay, the maximum error can be written as the maximum value of error. Okay, for example ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಬರೀಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. Okay, but this is not possible. Here there is a condition, rule ide. Usually the maximum error is always in a positive. Positive ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. But minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ sometimes we are getting the negative values. Okay, error ನಮಗೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಆಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಲ್ವಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ -0.18 ನ ನಾವು 0.18 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. Okay, we are not considering the negative value. Hence, the maximum error value is always, it should be positive. Hence, the positive plus sign is compulsory. Plus ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. For example, ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು model question paper ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು question ಇದೆ. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ the resistance. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಷನ್, ಅದು ಅಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಅಫರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Resistivity is equal to V by I. V means potential, I andre current. This is from Ohm's law, where potential is equal to 100 plus or minus 5. Okay, next, and current I is equal to 10 plus or minus 0.2 ampere. Okay, because the SI unit of current is ampere, potential is volt. Okay, this is the question. Then find, question ಏನಂದ್ರೆ find percentage error in resistance. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎರರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. R is equal to V by I. Okay, the percentage error ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಎರರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಎರರ್ ಇನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ is equal to how much, 100 ಗೆ 5%. This is total 100. This is plus or minus 5%. 5% is the error. This is called error. Similarly, the percentage error in current ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0.2 ಅಂತಿದೆ. Here 10 is there, but we have to convert it into 100. 100 ಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು percentage ತಗೋದು. So multiply by 10. 10 multiply ಮಾಡಿ both side. 10 into 10 100 plus or minus 0.2 into 10 is 2. Okay, here 10 is there, but we have to convert it into percentage. Percentage ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಬರಬೇಕು. So we have to multiply 10 into 10 100. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 0.2 ಗೆ 10 ಅನ್ನು ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಓಕೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ it is compulsory to multiply both side. Okay, again the percentage is 2%. What is the total percent? Total percentage means we can add. Okay, therefore the total percentage of error in resistance is 5% plus 2%. Total 7% is the percentage of error. ಈ ತರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. Okay. Okay, first resistance VR is equal to V by I. This is only formula. We have the potential. Potential means 100 plus or minus 5%. This is percentage. For 100 we have the 5% error. 5% error ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ voltage ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Current ಅಲ್ಲಿ actually 10 ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, but we have to convert it into 100. 100 ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 100 plus or minus multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 2%. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ? voltage ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5% plus current ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2%, total 7%, because the maximum value of error can be added. Add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ total percentage ಎಷ್ಟು error ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. This is about the error of a sum or difference. Okay, this is about the combination of error. First one is over. Next, coming to the second one, the error of a product or a quotient. Okay, in this case, if a product means A into B, multiplication. Next, quotient means A divided by B. Idu multiplication agutte, idu division agutte. But here the maximum value of error delta Z is equal to delta Z divided by Z is equal to delta A divided by A plus delta B divided by B. Okay, in the second case. Okay, combination of errors. We have second case, that is error of product or quotient. Quotient anta bandaga ನಾವು ಈ ತರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಥಿಯರಿ ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, when we look through the problems we can easily understand the theory. Okay, for example we have one problem, the maximum error in the measurement of mass. Okay, mass ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? The maximum error in the measurement of mass are 3% and length. Percentage of error length ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಿದೆ? 2% ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Of a cube. These are the percentage of error of a mass is 3%. In length we have the percentage of error is 2%. Then they are asking what will be the maximum error? Okay, we are using the same formula, that is we know that. Okay, question is like this: what will be the maximum error in the measurement of density? Density li ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ. First, density means is the mass by volume, ratio of mass and volume. Okay, density means it is denoted by rho. Here the maximum error delta rho is equal to delta m divided by m plus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು volume is delta v by v. Okay, here delta m divided by m ಈ ತರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, same as it is, plus volume means we know that volume means length into breadth into height. Both are length into length. Breadth is also a length, height is also a length. Okay, then we can write, okay, 3 times delta L by L. ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? Volume means 3 times length, breadth, height. Volume nothing but 3 times the length, because length into length into length. Now the next step is delta m by m. What is the maximum error? 3% plus 3 into what is the length, because they are giving the length, or namage volume kottilla, they are not giving the volume, they directly give the length. Hence we can convert the volume into length. Length are convert madadre volume is equal to 3 times the length. 3 times the length. Length percentage of error is 2%. Finally we are getting 3% plus 3 to 6%. Again 3 plus 6 is 9%. Okay, this is the total error. Itara mass 3% kottidare, they are giving the mass 3%, length is 2% of a cube. Okay, cube andre gottidalla, length into breadth into height. Okay, then coming to the density, they are asking for the density error. Density error kelidaga density is equal to mass by volume. Density is denoted by rho, means density error means delta rho is equal to delta m by m plus delta volume by volume. This is A, this is B. Delta m by m same, plus volume we can convert it in volume into length, because they are giving the length 3 times the length, because volume means length into breadth into height. Therefore 3 times the delta L by L. Again mass the ಎಷ್ಟು percentage error ಇದೆ ಎಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ 3% plus 3 into 2 6%, total is 9% error. Okay, ee ತರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. This is about the combination of errors. First one is combination of error of a sum or difference. Second one is error of product or quotient. Any doubt? Another doubt idana? Another doubt idre chat box ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ. Any doubt? Understand these concepts? ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್? Karthik Patil, is there any doubt? Reena, Saundarya, Taspiya, you typed yes ma'am. You understand or not? No, okay. Oh. Assignment questions ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Assignment questions. ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದು ನೀವು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? ನನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 9008646761 ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ. ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೂಡ